Hey guys, President Donovan, EXP Realty, part of the Johnson Group here with Krista from Pulte and Del Webb. She's going to be walking us through the
Stellar model.
There we go, the
Yes.
Echelon series. I'm super excited. Let's go check it out. You ready?
Yeah, absolutely. Come on in.
Let's do it. Three-car garage. We'll kind of catch that when we come out here, but three-car garage on this one. Whoa.
Yeah. If you're interested in a three-car garage, that's what we have with our Echelon series. The Renown features a three-car garage, and then with both the Stellar and the Stardom, our other floor plans offered in the Echelon series, and you can add a golf cart garage or an additional car garage as well, depending on which one you choose. So
this is amazing.
The Stellar is absolutely beautiful. So what you're gonna see in the front is we're gonna have an in-suite right here, really convenient for guests if they wanna come and go. They have their own bathroom and bedroom up front. We have a flex room right here. It can be used for an office. We kind of set it up for more entertaining, a second sitting area.
Let's check out this right here. So,
yeah, absolutely.
Ensuite in the front. So this is not the primary bathroom.
No, so this is going to be your guest option. So if you have guests that want to come and stay with you, this is a great option for them.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice size. And their own bathroom.
Yes.
Dig it.
So this is going to be one of your options. So this is the shower. So our included option is going to be a tub shower combo. You can upgrade to a standing shower if that's something you wish to.
Oh, okay. Cool. And then this cool little spot right here. Now let me ask you about these beams. These are options?
So the beams are awesome. So again, this is something that we just featured that you can do with your home to give you some ideas. Pulte does not do beams like this, but I will say I have seen them on Amazon.
Okay, all right, cool, nice.
So they have apparently they have hollow ones that are actually really light and very easy to install.
I'm getting a bunch of these for my house. I think that'd be.
Oh yeah, it really adds a lot to the space, especially when you have a tray ceiling.
Unbelievable, wow. Mm-hmm. And then, of course, this is, I'm assuming, the gourmet kitchen option. Is that correct?
Yes. So come on in and take a look around. We've got our layout for gourmet kitchen. So if you've seen our other videos, you've kind of seen how we've gone over. We have different different kitchen layouts here at Pulte. This one, you will see the microwave and oven to the side. And then we have our gourmet cooktop with the extra cabinets down below.
I mean, this is for the cook. Like, you can store all kinds of stuff in here. Wow.
One thing Pulte does really well is storage space.
Yeah,
so you're going to see a lot of cabinet storage, cabinets even on the end. We do even have the option to upgrade to a deluxe island, which would include cabinets on this side as well.
Oh, so no stools, but cabinets.
No, you do get stools. You'd still have.
You can still fit it in there, but there's stuff underneath.
You can add cabinets on this side. So if you have things that maybe like your KitchenAid mixer you only use at Christmas that you kind of want tucked away, it's a great option.
Oh man, it's so cool.
Absolutely. So we have this is our entertainment package right here. Have a cute little wine rack, and we offer the wine coolers as well. And then you could do a little coffee nook or wine nook, whatever. And then our dining area right here. So, and one upgrade that we featured in this home is going to be the sunroom right here.
Yeah.
So some of our floor plans do sunrooms, some do not. Some can do a sunroom and a screen lanai, and this is one of those floor plans.
So this could be a screen and porches or lanai instead?
No, so this you can do, it's either the sunroom or you don't do the sunroom, but we also have a screen lanai over here.
Oh, okay.
Right.
That makes more sense.
Yes.
Okay.
So some floor plans, you have to choose one or the other. This one, you can do both.
And this thing opens all the way, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, you gotta check this out.
How did I know?
This is a really fun addition, the sliding doors.
I mean, it brings your outdoor space indoor, outdoor. Wow.
Yes. This is the perfect home for entertaining. So if you want to utilize indoor, outdoor dining, possibly like you have friends over.
Yeah.
Big party. It's a big time party house.
So you can build a pool out here And
Absolutely.
okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna have 2 pools of our own in our amenity center. So we're gonna have an indoor pool that's gonna be set up for doing laps and water aerobics, spa, locker rooms, gym, all of that's gonna be inside. And then we're gonna have a beautiful outdoor pool as well.
But you can also, if you don't want all that, you can have your own pool.
Some people, they love to, you know, go to the pool, socialize with all their friends. Some people would rather not. Like to just kind of wake up and have their own pool right here, have a little bit more privacy.
It even has a table in there.
Absolutely,
eat dinner in the pool. Unbelievable.
Yes. So again, we love to showcase what we can do. Pulte doesn't build pools, but you can absolutely build one on your property here at our Del Webb.
This is primary, I assume?
Yes, this is our primary bedroom.
Man, oh my goodness.
Very spacious. This, we do multiple different trim packages. So this one does feature our Craftsman trim package. Again, we have the beams that we don't offer, but they sure look beautiful, don't they?
They do, yeah.
Absolutely.
Holy cow.
Another thing you'll notice up above is our Sonos speakers.
Yes, so
another
is that an
thing.
option?
Yes. So we are contracted through CPI. They do all of our low voltage options, and you can add speakers, surround sound throughout the whole house.
Nice.
Yes, it's awesome. And you can also just do it, say you just want it in your living room, or you just want it outside, or maybe your owner's suite. You can do it individually as well. So that's a really fun upgrade.
This is incredible. I knew when I saw this place, I had to come. Pocket doors. What?
Yes. So depending on which floor plan you get, some have pocket doors, some have different doors.
Look at this closet. Check this closet out, Brandon.
Yeah. So this one has a really spacious closet. It is one closet. So sometimes people prefer 2 closets. If you prefer 2 closets, the Renown might be an excellent option for you. That does feature 2 different closets.
I feel like you could.
Do you need his and hers?
I think you could put like a thing here, like a curtain here, and like this is so big. It's the size of a room.
Oh.
Literally the size of a room.
It is. It's very large.
It's not. I'm not even being hyperbolic. That's just a massive closet. Dual vanity, gray again, shower separate from the tub. I love that. And it's got a seating area, so that's great.
Absolutely. Yeah. I love the seat in the shower. And this is one of our 3 shower options. So we do just if you did the included option, it would just be a shower, just like this. Mm-hmm. Or you could do this tub and shower, or you can do a 0 entry walk-in shower.
So that would be it would be tile on the floor.
Tile on the floor. And then
would it be this whole area?
Yes.
Wow.
It's very large. And you can see it in our Renown if you'd like to go check that one out.
Well, we definitely will.
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. Wow.
Yeah.
I love the tubs too. That's great. Man, this one is spectacular. Is this the highest level one
this is in our Echelon series. So we have 3 series here at Del Webb: Scenic, Distinctive, and Echelon. Scenic is going to be 1,300 to 1,500 square feet. We're going to have Distinctive, which is a little bit more. We have 1,600 to 1,900 square feet. And if you're looking for 2,000 square feet and above, Echelon is probably what you're going to want to stick to. So something else that's different about this home. So this home's actually an included 2-bedroom. However, you do have the option to add a 3rd bedroom. You can add a 3rd bedroom. When you do, it changes this bathroom from a powder room to a full-size bathroom. But if you don't, it's just extra garage storage. So if you have somebody that maybe really is interested in garage space, this could be a very good option for them, because they can do not only that 3rd-car garage, but the extra space as well.
Oh, wow.
And
okay.
Instead of the 3rd bedroom.
Wow. This bathroom. It's really nice. Man, this thing is incredible.
Yeah. So another fun thing we do is our laundry room layouts. So we have 3 different layouts you can choose from. And basically, it kind of goes back to us trying to be as customizable as possible with our pricing. So our included option is going to offer the ventilated shelving, whereas you can upgrade. This is going to be a layout 3 that includes the countertop, cabinets, and you'll have that drop-in sink.
Nice.
Yeah.
The sink is always a plus in the laundry room.
Right, I know. I love having a sink in the laundry room.
Wow, what a great, and this one doesn't have a second story, right?
No, this one does not, but you can add it. So all of our floor plans, we offer 11 different floor plans. We have 6 models here that I can show you. All of them are 1-story floor plans, ranch style homes, but they can, you can add a loft with a bedroom bathroom to any of them, if you just like the separate.
Are they standard the same, or does this depend on the house?
It depends on the house.
Okay.
They do vary by floor plan, but they are very similar between the series.
Okay, cool. Well, I really appreciate you showing us around the Stellar. And if they want to get a hold of you, Krista, how do they get a hold of you?
You can come see me at the models anytime. I work with 2 other sales consultants that are awesome as well. So come on down and see us. Our hours are 9 to 5, 7 days a week. We do, our hours are a little bit different on Wednesdays and Sundays. Sundays we're 12 to 5 and Wednesdays as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but you can call us anytime.
All right. And if you want to call them, the number is?
619-261-2660.
And if you need to call me, give me a call at 912-657-3544. And I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.